Let's look at exactly what reconnaissance is as far as the information gathering, and really at a very simple level here. Like I mentioned, information gathering is what really reconnaissance is. It's a set of processes, techniques, procedures that are used to discover, gather, collect information about a target system, right? And so during reconnaissance, an ethical hacker attempts to gather as much information as possible about a target system following these 7 steps listed below. So number 1, gather initial information. Data collection by utilizing several different techniques, different methods, and different tools. And then determine the network range, right? And then identify active machines. Which machines are actually connected to the network? How many are in the network? And then discover open ports and access points. What areas, what availability is there for the actual hacker, right, ethical hacker, to connect to and access the actual network. And then fingerprint and operating system. And then uncovering services on ports. Mapping the entire network, looking at how the servers are connected, how the actual devices are connected, how the networks are set up, right? So let's say, for example, you have like an HR department, you have a sales department, marketing department, right? They're typically going to have different networks within those departments that all go up and connect to the main network for the entire company. And so they're mapping out the entire network that they're looking to target. And oftentimes they'll target and look at the entire network as a whole and then break off the, let's say, marketing department and map that out as well as far as a target. So this is a quick introduction here into the reconnaissance here. Anthony's going to dive a lot more deeper into active versus passive reconnaissance, the tools, the techniques, the methods, the different things that we're going to be using to gather as much information about our target prior to going on the attack. So that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.